Guys, the price of PEPE has been showing a strong bullish trend over the past 24 hours. In reality, we have become more bullish and optimistic about the future. At this very now, you are able to observe this price growth, which is looking excellent. In addition, I would want to share with you the most important information that you should be on the lookout for right this moment. As a result, we are going to discuss the price of PEPE, which is expected to increase by a factor of 2 in the near future. The on-chain data will be discussed in this session. And in addition to that, I would like to make sure that you are aware of the major events that have recently shaken up the financial markets and that have the potential to have an effect not only on the price of PEPE, but also on the global cryptocurrency markets. Therefore, if you guys find these important updates to be enjoyable, please make sure to like, follow, and retweet. First things first, gentlemen. Let's dive right in. You can see that we have bounced quite nicely from the level of approximately 1600 right here. This is something that you already know, and we are beginning to move in an upward direction. So, during the past 24 hours, the hourly candles have taken on a very green appearance, as you can see right here. On top of that, we are actually moving in a direction that is somewhat upward in the short term. Consequently, as you can see right now, this playout is looking very promising. This momentum is something that we want to keep going forward into the future. If we turn to a longer-term price horizon, you can really see right here how enormous. Additionally, the momentum of the chart continues to remain optimistic, which is another indication that the price is likely to continue to rise. It would appear that the cryptocurrency market is continuing its upward trend. Our trajectory is heading in a positive direction. In addition, despite the fact that there has been a great deal of volatility over the past few days, I feel it is imperative that you maintain your concentration on the major fundamentals and the major trajectory of the cryptocurrency market. In addition, a significant portion of the cryptocurrency market is returning to green today, which is unquestionably a positive development. Additionally, if we take a look at this news piece, we could be able to see a double increase for PEPE. These are the possibilities at this very moment. There are a great deal of on-chain metrics that are being released for this cryptocurrency. Moreover, there is a certain metric that may be observed precisely here. In the past several days, there has been a consistent decrease in the amount of PEPE that is available on exchanges. The number of PEPE tokens was 147 trillion, which is a decrease from the nearly 218 trillion that existed a few months earlier. What exactly does this imply, gentlemen? As a result, a significant number of holders are actually expanding, and a significant number of individuals have not yet transferred their cryptocurrency from their wallets to centralized exchanges. Therefore, this is a bullish outlook for the long term. Right now, this is precisely what we are going to see for PEPE in the future. As a result, additional holders are flooding in. In addition, we have received several significant pieces of data that indicate that PEPE may be undervalued in the cryptocurrency market at the present stage. The Market Value to Relative Value Index, sometimes known as the MVRV, is one of these instruments. As a result of PEPE's retreat, the 30-day, 7-day, and 365-day MVRV ratios have continued to be subject to pressure. This is demonstrated right here. Something is an indication that something could be in a rather inexpensive price range at the moment. All right, gentlemen, those metrics for PEPE right now are really fantastic. In addition, you need to be aware that when you consider these costs, you need to take into consideration the fact that this is going to be a journey that lasts for a very long time. Those individuals who have held that conviction all the way from down here, where we first discovered it on the channel, to the present day, it continues to accumulate in terms of price and holdings. PEPE has been a trip that has spanned several years. Furthermore, I believe that in the year 2025 there has been no significant development in the past few days. To answer your question, yeah, we have saw volatility run through PEPE in this zone exactly here. But if you want to get to the bottom of things, you need to look at 2025. Now that we are in the year 2025, there are only about 9 days left until Trump takes office. And there is a possibility that the cryptocurrency market will experience some really large macro catalysts. Therefore, we are discussing the strategic reserve of Bitcoin. As we speak, you should know that the United States of America has the potential to become the leading center for cryptocurrency around the world, because, without a doubt, it is not the case at the present. it's not the most important hub at all. Countries such as Dubai and other countries throughout the world are going to be the ones to take the top spot in the rankings. On the other hand, if the United States of America gets its act together and passes some laws that are favorable to cryptocurrency, there is a lot of money in the United States of America. Thus, it would be really excellent